In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who has access to a file in Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into Google Drive with the account that owns the file or has access to it. You can do this in any modern web browser. Once you're in Drive, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. Being in the right account ensures you're seeing the correct files and the correct sharing details. Next, navigate to the file you want to review. You can find it in My Drive, a folder, or by using the search bar at the top. It helps to check the file type icon so you're opening the right item, whether it's a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or a different file. If the file lives inside a shared folder or shared drive, keep in mind that some sharing details may reflect the broader folder or space. When you've located the file, right-click it to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Share. If you're already inside a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file, you can also use the Share button in the top right corner to open the same sharing panel. Either way, you're heading to the same place, the sharing window where access details are shown. In the sharing window, you'll see a section labeled People with Access. This is where the list of people who currently have access to the file appears. Each entry shows the person's name or group and their role, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. This helps you quickly understand who can only view, who can provide feedback, and who can make changes. Below or nearby, you'll also see General Access, which indicates whether the file is restricted, available to your organization, or accessible to anyone with the link. If it's set to anyone with the link, it means anyone who has that link could potentially view or interact with the file, depending on the permission shown. Use this panel to carefully scan the list and verify it matches your expectations. If you don't see anyone listed under People with Access, the file may be restricted to just you. If the share options look limited or grayed out, you might not have permission to view all details, especially if the file belongs to someone else or is in a managed shared drive. When you're done reviewing, close the sharing window. That's it. You've checked who has access to the file in Google Drive and understood the roles and general access settings at a glance.